Hello, dear students. I hope you are very good. And I am very good. Thank you so much. Today we are going to talk about two different shapes of the sound E. E. Here we start. The letter I and the letter R, they both together becomes E. E. For example, we have sh at the beginning of the word and t at the end of the word. When we add the sound of e, it becomes shirt. Shirt. Also, we have the letter U and the letter R. They both together becomes e. E. For example, we have P at the beginning and S-E at the end of the word. When we add E sound, it becomes purse. Purse. And here we have more examples.
Shirt. Shirt. He dresses a blue shirt. Skirt. Skirt. She wears a beautiful skirt. Circle. Circle. The shape of the ball is circle, and my favorite shape is circle too. Circus. Circus. I like to see a circus show. 30. 30. My uncle is 30 years old, and today is his birthday. Purse. Purse. The girl has a pretty purse. Purple. Purple. The balloons are purple. Fur. Fur. The dog has soft fur. Nurse. Nurse. Nurse takes care of patients. Curtain. Curtain. The curtain is purple. Turkey. Turkey. The turkey has feathers.
Review time. Dear students, let's make a review. Can you help me and remind me what's this? She is a nurse. Very good. She's a cute nurse. And what's this? Very good. This is turkey. Turkey. And what's this? This is shirt. Very good. Shirt. Also, I have a very nice shirt. What number is this? 30. Very good. 30. And what color is it? Purple. Purple. Well done. And what shape is it? Very good. Well done. This is circle. Circle. And what's this? Very good. This is skirt. Skirt. Story time. Karwan wears a blue shirt and his sister wears an orange skirt. They go to their uncle's birthday. His uncle becomes 13 years old. Karvan gives a balloon, a purple balloon, to his uncle. They become very happy. Thanks for watching.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.